Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chico Intercode, where we create videos regarding web design and development. If you are new to my channel, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel and then turn on your notification bell button to be notified each time I drop videos. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get premium themes and plugins like this for WordPress. If you come to Theme Forest, you will see these are premium themes that have been sold for as much as $69, $39, $60 and so on, as well as premium plugins that have been sold for as much as $109, $74 and so on. I'll be showing you how to get them for free in this video. We call them free, we call them Node theme and Node plugins. The reason why we call them Node is basically because when you get this free, when you purchase this premium theme, it normally gives you the license is usually for a single website, meaning that after purchasing it, you can't use it for more than a website. If you're going to use this same thing that you purchased there for another website, it means you need to pay for another license. So then the essence of nodding is basically when a theme can be used that is supposed to be used for a single website the restriction has been removed, and now you can use it for multiple websites, and now it is available for free. So that is what we call Node themes and then Node plugins. So now I'm going to be giving you some websites where we do this that I've been using for the past many years now in my web design. So the first one is very quickly, we have WP Locker. So WP Locker is a very great website for this. I've been using it for many years now for my different projects. As you can see, it has various premium things like Astra Pro, Global Gallery, Houses, and all of these themes here are themes that are being sold for $150, $60 on Theme Forest. Like for example, now this theme that has been sold for $69 over that version. So you can scroll and see all the premium themes, as you can see, or you can also make a search. Use the search bar. So I'm just gonna let's search for Awada as an example. So I'm just gonna click on search now, and as you can see, it gives me all of the versions that has ever been listed, right from, as you can see, even to page 5. So of different version of it, different version till its current and latest version. So that is how it works. So this same website you can get premium themes and also premium plugins. But if you go to Code Kenyon, let's see Slider Revolution. So let's make a quick search for that too as well. So once in a while, you might not every stuff might be available. So that's why I'm going to be giving more than one option. Slider Revolution. So now let's search for this and see. As you can see, we have Slider Revolution 6.7. 6.734, Slider Revolution 6.733. So these are different. So now if you want to download, all you have to do is just click on whichever one you want to download, and you scroll down. So there's on WP Locker, we don't normally have a download button, but what you have is links where you can make the download. So if you want to download, you have to do just copy the link, and basically the first one, then you can open a new tab, then you paste in the link, then you click enter. So it's gonna take you. So now this is it. So all you have to do is just come to where we have this download button here, and that is where you can download it. Then you're gonna click on close. So it's gonna download that for you. So that is basically how to download a theme and also a plugin on WP Locker. The next website I want to show you here is called Barbier2. Barbier2 is also a very helpful and very powerful website for getting premium themes and plugins for WordPress. You can also use their search feature, or you can also browse through their directory So one thing about Barbiato is that before you can be able to get anything from here, you need to create an account. As you can see, I already have an account with them already. So but on WP Local, you can just go there and search for whatever you want to download, and then you just go on ahead and download without creating any account. So but on Barbiato, it's important for you to create an account, or else you will not be allowed to download. So you can just come here and search for anything. If I should make the same search for Avada, let's see if they have it here as well. So you're gonna get search results like this. So yeah, I think this is it. Website we have for WP. Then you see. So and then one thing that makes Barbiato also stands out, that Barbiato is also a community. So if you have any issue, you can always come here to report the issue. And like WP Local, there's nobody to report anything to. Probably you are facing an issue with the team of plugin, you are on your own. But with Barbiato, you can always come here. You see a lot of people talking about, you see what to start using. So people talking about if there's any issue. So here you can just go to history here. So when you go to history, it's gonna list out to you all of the versions of the Avada that has been uploaded, just like this WP Local does. So now let's wait for this Cloudflare to verify us. So we verify. As you can see, these are the different versions that has been uploaded so far here on Barbiato, and you can choose to download any of them. So it's as simple as that. Just click on this button, then you can download it. So we have several of these websites, but these are the two basic websites that I use the most. We also have another one like WP Node Pro, and if you also want to get more, I have to just probably you wanna get any theme you wanna use. You can just go to Google search and type in the theme, then put in Node in the front of it. Then you're going to list out a lot of websites that are doing this, that you can get this from. So these are the websites that I use to get all of these things. So if you're also interested, you can check them out. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe right now and turn on your notification bell button. Also help me to like this video so it can reach more people. Then I will see you in my next videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell button so it will notify each time I drop helpful videos like this for you guys. Thanks, and see you in my next videos. Bye for now.